Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And today we're going to talk about the split Nosebowl kit. A lot of people ask, what's in it? Well, you buy the hardware from us, and you get the STC paperwork, and you pay Fletchair down in Houston. And here's the split Nosebowl kit. We're going to open it up and look inside and stand by for some fun. So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. Now, in the hardware kit, you get a little bag of metal pieces. There are 4 metal pieces for the 4-place Nosebowl split. You use 2 pieces of metal for the 2-place. They have all the other same fasteners, the 14-legged anchors, the screws, and everything else. You also get a bag of all the hardware, which has the 2-legged anchors, the tenorman nuts, the skin rivets, the pop rivets, the 10-832 stainless steel countersunk screws, and the nuts to hold them all. So you get everything in this split Nosebowl kit that you need to complete the split Nosebowl. So again, you order the paperwork from Fletchair, and then we get the fun of how do we count all those 2-legged anchors. Then we get the bag of the other hardware and go through and pull out the tenorman washers. We're down to 1 left in the bag. But as you can see, it's a lot of fun when you get to go take the nylon locking nuts and you get to count out how many, and then you get to put them in a bag so that you can put the kit together. And then you want to make sure that the count is accurate so that you're not missing a piece of hardware. It's okay to give a little extra, but you don't want to be short 1 piece of hardware. And there's the fun of the pop rivets right there. So anyway, those are all the pieces that are counted out and put together to make the split Nosebowl kit. And again, here are the 10-832 stainless steel countersunk screws that hold everything together along with the nylon nuts. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's what the hardware kit for the split Nosebowl looks like. Again, you get the paperwork from calling Fletchair. You buy the STC paperwork, and you give us a call, and we'll send you a split Nosebowl kit, either 2 or 4 place. It's a lot of fun counting all that out. We hope you found all this useful and informative. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman. And as a little treat for you, as the cats enjoy their treat, there they are munching down on some wheatgrass we bought at Kroger's the other day. They love the heck out of that stuff, and so enjoy them chomping on their little dessert.